I've been shooting with my mobile phone for quite some time, and over the years, I've had the opportunity to test out different gear and find out which ones are the best for my filmmaking needs. Throughout my journey, I found some amazing gear that has greatly improved the quality of my videos and made my filmmaking process so much easier. In this video, I'll share my top picks for must-have mobile filmmaking gear under $99. If you're a beginner or on a budget, hopefully this video can help you find some gear that will level up your mobile filmmaking game without breaking the bank. And by the way, I will leave links to all products mentioned in the video description below. Okay, starting with the first item, if you want to expand your mobile filmmaking capabilities, the mobile video kit with one handle by SmallRig is a great option. Priced at $85, the cage comes with different mounting points, allowing you to expand your setup by adding different accessories such as a light, microphone, lens, and filters to achieve your desired look. Now, I'm using a special edition co-designed by Brandon Lee, though the standard version offers the same functionality. Now, I've been using it for different kinds of shoots, and more importantly, it gives me the ability to achieve a more professional look in my videos and also offers a great filmmaking experience. Now, this special edition right here is specifically designed for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the standard version in black has one for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models. Now, if you use a different phone type like the Samsung Galaxy S23, then you want to check out the Universal Quick Release mobile phone by SmallRig. Now, the awesome thing about this Universal rig is that it works with nearly any phone out there. If you upgrade to a newer phone model in the future, you don't have to worry about a new rig, as it uses a clamp over here to secure your phone. At just $43, this versatile rig offers cool features for every shooter. It has detachable phone clamp for easy handheld shots and a MagSafe setup for quick, hassle-free mounting. Now, for action type shots, it's best to use the clamp as it offers more security, and I use the MagSafe setup mostly for static situations. Now, as you can see, it comes with various 1/4 20 threaded holes and cold shoe mounts. There are plenty of options to attach accessories. And also over here, you have a quick release side handle, but keep in mind this is not included. You can get this one with the wireless control for $40, which adds to a total of $83. Now, with a wireless control, you can shoot more conveniently without using the screen to start and stop recording, and you can even detach it from the rig and record yourself from a distance. Now, on these two, I also love that you can set up the handle for vertical shooting or use it as a top handle to get lower shots, and this makes it really versatile for different shooting scenarios. Now, if you want to achieve a cinematic look in your video, you will need a variable VND filter. Now, there are many options on the market, but what I find to be of high quality and quite at an affordable price is the magnetic VND filter by SmallRig for $50. Now, if you want to attach this to your lens, you can use something like this universal magnetic filter for $27, or you can use this adapter ring if you're using this cage by SmallRig. What's really cool is that you can attach these filters to your lens magnetically. Plus, these filters are also stackable, so you can add other filters on top. The VND filter is especially useful for outdoor filming. It lets you control the amount of light entering the lens while maintaining a cinematic shutter speed and preventing overexposed shots. So if you're considering getting a filter, a VND is a must-have. Next up is this magnetic portable charger by Anker, which has 5,000 milliamp and is priced at $40. Now, filming on your iPhone can drain a lot of battery, so having a power bank with you at all times is important. Now, what sets this power bank apart is its MagSafe connection, allowing it to snap onto your iPhone without the need for cables. You can also charge it via cable, so that's also cool, but I bought this mainly because of the MagSafe charging capabilities. It also has a strong magnet, so you don't have to worry about it falling off while filming. It also really goes well with the mobile video kit, as the back of the iPhone is exposed, allowing me to attach the charger directly to it. Plus, with the compact size, you can easily carry it in your pocket or bag for on-the-go charging. Now, I always bring this one with me, and it has saved me from running out of battery multiple times during a shoot. Now, I really love this suction mount ever since I got it. It allowed me to get these unique car shots perspective. This right here is the 2 suction mount by Delkin, which you can get for $70. For more security, you can upgrade to the 3 suction mount for $109, but 2 suction mounts will do the job. It works really well with the cage, and so far I have had no worries about it falling off. The suctions are really strong and allow me to get vibration-free car shots. The mount itself is also very durable and has a wide range of motion, so you can easily angle your shots however you like. If you're filming inside the car, you could use just 1 suction even, but for exterior shots, it's best to use both. Now, this mount has been a great addition to my gear, and I always bring it with me because I know I can get some unique car shots with it. And it also doesn't take up much space to bring along, as I can also take it apart, making it convenient and practical to bring along. Speaking of unique angles, another great tool is the Magic Arm and Clamp by SmallRig, which costs $20. This tool allows you to secure it on almost any object to achieve different perspectives, especially high or low angled shots that could be tricky to set up with a tripod. And many filmmakers also use this tool to attach an object in front of the lens so that it stays in the center of the frame. And this gives the viewer the feeling of being sort of that object in the scene, which is a very unique experience for the viewer. Now, the Magic Arm can also be used to expand your rig, such as mounting a light or microphone. So there are a lot of mounting possibilities with this, and really doesn't cost that much. If you have been looking for a Bluetooth mic for easy pairing with your smartphone, the DJI Mic 2 transmitter, which costs $98, is an excellent option. So let me show you how it would sound like using the Bluetooth mic paired with my iPhone. So nothing special going on here. I'm here with the cows, shooting some beautiful videos because it's spring and you can see how vibrant the colors are. Anyway, I'm using the Bluetooth mic, which is connected to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm using the Blackmagic camera app, and yeah, as long as I have the mic close to where the sound is coming from, the audio should sound quite good. And if you do some post-processing, it will sound even better. And what's great is that I can clip it onto my shirt, or even use it as sort of a shotgun mic and mount it onto my rig. The possibilities are really endless, and the best part is really that I can be further away from the camera while still capturing good audio quality. What do you guys think? Now, if you want to record in higher quality, you can also record internally 32-bit float and sync it up in post later. Now, many have complained that the Bluetooth connection only works with the Blackmagic camera app on the iPhone. But did you know that if you download and launch the Road Reporter app, which is free by the way, you can then use the Bluetooth mic with the default camera app. And this is really great if you want to keep things simple and record good audio quality without being close to the camera or having a receiver connected to your iPhone. Now, when it comes to filming myself, constantly having to go back and forth to get the framing right can be time consuming and frustrating. And this is where the flip screen mirror by NiceRig for $27 comes in handy. It's a small portable mirror that attaches to your camera's cold shoe mount, allowing you to see yourself while filming. It's perfect for vloggers or anyone who films themselves often. Now, usually I use my Apple Watch with the default camera app, but because the Blackmagic camera app doesn't currently support that feature, the NiceRig flip screen mirror solves this problem and has really streamlined my filming process. Now, I always bring this with me wherever I go because I want to be able to record in the highest quality possible using the Blackmagic camera app. And sometimes I don't always have someone to help me out, so being able to see myself just makes my life so much easier. So I highly recommend getting one of these. Now, if you want to transform your ordinary smartphone footage into cinematic shots, then using the Anamorphic Lens by SmallRig is a great option. Now, while traditional anamorphic lenses come with a higher price tag, you can achieve a similar cinematic look on your smartphone with a more affordable 1.55 times anamorphic lens at $99. Anamorphic lenses capture a wider aspect ratio than the standard 16:9, allowing you to fit more into the frame for a wider field of view. Unlike cropping for a widescreen effect, an anamorphic lens preserves all the details within its aspect ratio. It also adds a classic cinematic flair with an oval bokeh and horizontal flare, especially when filming against bright light sources. Now, unique to this lens is its magnetic design, offering easy removal, plus you can attach the VND filter to achieve that natural motion blur while keeping your exposure level in check. But personally, I really like the look of this anamorphic lens, and also comes close to that Hollywood look we are all striving for. Now, at the end of the day, adding accessories to your smartphone filmmaking setup can greatly enhance your creative possibilities and improve the quality of your footage. Now, if you're looking for more awesome mobile gear recommendations, then be sure to download my free smartphone filmmaking guide. It's kept up to date, and the link will be in the video description below. Alright folks, I hope these recommendations have given you some ideas on how you can take your smartphone filmmaking game to the next level. Now, if you want to learn more, be sure to check out this video right here where I turn my iPhone 15 Pro Max into a pro camera. With that said, thank you so much for watching, keep it mobile, and see you in the next one.